friends, Elizabeth Wheeler here from Expium, and I am really excited to announce we've just launched our latest Atlassian Marketplace add-on, StackBlitz for Confluence. What you might not know is that as well as being Atlassian Platinum Solution partners, we're also StackBlitz's exclusive implementation partners. And that means when an organization decides to use StackBlitz behind the firewall, we call that StackBlitz Enterprise, Expium is there to help every step of the way. And in this way, it didn't really take long to discover the synergy that exists there between StackBlitz and Confluence. Let me show you what I mean. We're going to start with StackBlitz. I have a project here that exists. If you're not familiar with StackBlitz, it's essentially an online IDE, but stopping there would be selling StackBlitz incredibly short. There have been a couple of pretty big announcements with StackBlitz. So if you haven't checked it out ever, or you haven't checked it out recently, I do encourage you to go do that. So with StackBlitz for Enterprise, what we're going to do is essentially embed the project. That means the preview over here on the right, as well as the editor, even the Explorer bar right here as well, if we choose to do so. And the only thing we need to do is, number one, have StackBlitz for Confluence installed in the Confluence instance. This is for cloud right now only. And I also need to grab the URL. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Next thing I'm going to do is go to my Confluence instance. I've got a page example right here, or I've created a page. And I'm going to say, here is our new prototype. Please provide feedback. Thanks. Oop. You could spell feedback correctly. Okay. And then how I'm going to embed my example, if we go to the plus button here to insert and do view more, I can go ahead and start typing StackBlitz, and I can see StackBlitz project is there. And first thing I'm going to do is paste that URL into this first box here. And honestly, that's all I would really have to do. It would be functional after that, but I'm going to walk you through. We have a couple of other selections. I can change the height of the frame. I'm going to start off with medium here. I could also change, so we can look at the preview. That's that right side of the StackBlitz screen only, or we could look at the editor. I like to do a side by side so people know that they can do that. But while you're on the page as the viewer, you can switch between these. But I still like to start with both. And then for the theme, we can either choose light or dark. Light is what is shown in the preview. I'm going to go ahead and select dark. I'll hit preview again so you can see that. Hide Explorer is that bar on the far left side. I think if I do this in preview, you'll be able to see it. Yeah, so if you want people to be able to browse the files, you can show the Explorer. I'm going to go ahead and hide it in this example. The click to load option. This becomes applicable when you've embedded several examples on a page. The page might take longer to load. So if you choose the click to load option, now as the viewer, the page won't take so long, and I can choose to load the examples that are interesting for me. I'm going to skip that for now. And then when I'm ready, I can go ahead and press insert, and that's all I do. It's in there. And then when I'm ready to publish the page, I get all the functionality I expect from the Confluence tool and from StackBlitz combined. So my example is loading. I can leave a comment. So maybe I'm going to tell my colleague that going to ask feedback. What this is going to do is when I save it, this is going to send him an email so he'll know that this information is out there. So I can go ahead and save that. If I was a person who is viewing it, I could leave a comment down below. But also if there was a specific thing that was interesting for me, I could comment specifically on that line. So it all looks good. No suggestions for improvement. Don't we all wish that? And save. And that's it.